Okay, good morning. Well, the Landy is pretty much all back together now. We've just got a couple of bits to put on the engine, the intercooler pipes and stuff like that, and the suspension bolts to tighten up, torque up to the right settings, and then we can get it started and spin it round and get cracking on the other side. There's only a couple of patches on the other side, so it should be pretty quick. Once we've got these sorted, quick grind up of the brake discs and then we can get it MOT'd. Right, she's all back together. Let's see if she starts. Well, she started up first time, no trouble, and she sounds a bit mean without the exhaust, but it is going to go back on. It's a bit noisy. Can't be driving around town with that. The next job is to torque up the suspension bolts, because I want to just torque them up and forget about them. Otherwise I will forget about them and they'll be all wobbly and loose when we're driving down the road. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to get under and have a good look at the underside and maybe start doing some of these patches. So the first one we're going to do is the big nut on the rear radius arm, and that is 176 Newton meters. Next is these. Next is this bolt down here. That's it all torqued up. Now we can concentrate on getting some of the rest of the welding done. Not too bad actually. Then what we'll do is we'll put a piece in here, weld a plate over that bit. I'm also thinking, because we don't have to take any of the suspension parts off, I could pull this up onto ramps and give myself a bit more space. Right, so I've got all the patches cut out, ready. They're all here ready to go on the chassis. I've run out of time now unfortunately, so I'm going to have to pack up and get ready to go to work. So I'm going to leave this video here. We've got the plates ready to go on now. All I'm going to do is just stick them on, weld them up paint over it, and then clean up the discs and take it for an MOT. So nothing much to show you. You've seen it all before, so I'm not really going to film that. I'm just going to crack on and get it done, and then we'll come back when it's MOT time. Hope you've enjoyed seeing it start up and move about a bit and see the little bits and bobs that we've got left to do. The bull bar is still for sale. If anyone's interested, drop me a message or check it out on eBay. It is going. Yeah, we're nearly there. Can soon get out on some trips. That's what it's all about, getting out on the trips. I'm eager to get out on them. I'm getting a bit frustrated, stuck in repairing and doing all that kind of stuff. So yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.